Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Android version and backing up any customization. This avoids surprises later. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to System, then Gestures or Navigation bar depending on your phone. You want the navigation controls visible now, so don't detour into accessibility yet. If your device hides options, tap About Phone and rapidly tap Build Number to reveal developer settings. Make sure to avoid changing unrelated developer flags. From here, you're ready to pick button layout or gesture mode. You now choose whether to use 3-button, 2-button, or full gestures. Tap the option that matches how you hold and navigate your phone. Once selected, assign actions to each element. Set long press to launch Assistant or split screen and choose the recent app behavior. Make sure to adjust gesture sensitivity and button order so accidental taps are minimized. If an OEM adds extra shortcuts, enable or disable them here. After making changes, test navigation in Settings and the home screen to confirm the new layout works. Finish by thoroughly testing the new buttons or gestures across multiple apps and your home launcher. You want back, home, and recent to behave consistently. If navigation feels unresponsive, make sure you reboot, clear the launcher cache, or revert to the previous layout temporarily. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to check for third-party app conflicts. Uninstall the offender or reset navigation settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If gestures fail after an update, force stop settings and reboot before deeper.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.